That T1 girl, don't need to read your mind, I can see the signs, girl. Hey, if love is blind, girl, body like Braille, let me read between the lines, girl. Down like loose change, let's try new things. Way you shake your body, give me new swings. Running through my mind, she go Usain. Got me thinking about giving her my last name.
The way you're moving on, my baby.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to the Boy Mompreneur. We are jumping right into the video today. As you can see, it is another lock video. We are officially 3 months locked. Like I told y'all in the last video, there's not really much locked about my hair. My roots are doing good, but the bottom is still very much so twisted. But my baby's hair is doing so much better than mine. His hair is pretty much locked. Like, his bottom is still twisted, but it's starting to lose the 2-strand pattern and starting to look more like a lock. I'm so proud of his hair, y'all. We already washed it. We conditioned it. I sprayed a leave-in conditioner in there. I sprayed my little oil and water mixture in there, and we're going to jump right into the retwist. I have my lock and seal, lock and tight, whatever it's called. I'll show y'all next time because I don't have it in front of me and I don't remember if I actually showed it to you in this video. So when I do another lock video, I will show y'all what it is I'm doing. Y'all, the loose hair in me wants to comb everything out. I don't know why. I know the point of locks is it's basically supposed to get nappy and mat up, I guess, but I'm so used to having loose hair that everything in me wants to just comb it and make sure that it's not nappy, if that makes sense. And I'm not really sure if you're supposed to do that or not, but I do it every time, and his retwists look great, in my opinion. So probably will keep doing it. This time I nixed the comb as far as trying to do the comb twist, and I just did it with my fingers. I mostly used the comb to comb it out and part it. His hair is actually starting to grow into the section of the lock, so I don't actually have to part it as much, except for like in the middle where his hair is really, really thick. But for the most part, it's doing much better. I still part it just to get it a little neater and crisper and cleaner. That's just me. But if I chose not to do it, I probably would not actually have to. But this time, most of his retwist, I just mostly parted it, combed it, and then just took my fingers and did the retwist with my fingers this time. It just was a lot easier. I don't know why. I don't know what made the difference this time, but it was a lot easier. And so I really don't have much to say this time. It's pretty repetitive as far as a retwist video. The only real difference here is instead of using the comb for most of the retwists, I use my fingers and I styled it at the end. So stay tuned for that, and I'm just going to be quiet and let y'all watch me work. So I ended up putting him under the dryer about maybe 3/4 of the way through. Honestly, I think I was probably maybe 3 rows away from being done, but I think my clips are growing legs, y'all, because I can't seem to find most of them. I was running out of clips. I needed the ones from the back so that I could put them in the front. And y'all know me. I feel like even though you don't have to be under the dryer for this stuff, I just feel safer if you're under the dryer and feel better that it won't come unraveling if it's fully dry. So I put them under the dryer for a few minutes, let the back set, and then I'm going to take the clips from the back and put them in the front when needed.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me, on try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on the day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. You'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I know in your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating this, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blim, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the
Y'all, I just wanted to show y'all or point out to y'all the length, okay? Check my baby out. This is the first time that since he's had his locks, I was actually able to even attempt to style his hair. Part of it was because of shrinkage. Like I told y'all before, shrinkage is real. And the other part was I was afraid that I would end up hurting him because I would have to pull it too hard or too tight to attempt a style. So I just didn't, and I just let him wear them down or whatever. And I noticed that the one in the front, or the ones in the front, but mainly the one on his right side, kept unraveling at the top, and it would look like he needed a retwist way sooner than he actually needed one, and it just would not stay twisted. So I was like, okay, this time I'm gonna try to attempt a style. I feel like your hair is long enough for me to attempt something. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we gonna try something, because that one in the front just refuses to stay twisted and stay down. It just, I don't know, it got a mind of its own and it want to do its own thing. So I was like, no, I'm gonna do what I can do this time. I also want to point out that I've never done barrel rolls before, so this was a trial and error style. I wasn't sure what I was doing. I wasn't even sure how it was gonna come out, but stay to the end so that you can see how it came out. Me personally, I think it came out really cute, especially on his little face. I loved it, he loved it, and so hopefully you guys love it. Also, I want y'all to, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, but also in the comments, let me know what it is y'all want to see, because I can continue to update y'all on our progress. I can continue to make the retwist videos, but the retwist videos, unless I'm attempting a style on his hair or going to retwist and style my hair, they can be repetitive because I pretty much do the same thing with every retwist. The only difference would be the style, unless I decide to use a different product or something along those lines. It's all gonna look the same. So I don't know if y'all really want to keep seeing retwist videos, especially when I don't really have much to say. I don't really see a big difference in length. I don't see a big difference in texture or lock. I don't want to bore y'all, so let me know what it is y'all want me to see. Also, if there's anything I should be looking out for that y'all want me to update y'all on, let me know. If it's budding, do I see a difference in the locks? Do I see that our hair seems to be locking? Like, whatever it is y'all want to know, just let me know. Also, if you have any advice, any tips, if you are already locked or if you have been locked before, if there's any tips that you want to give me, I'm open and I want to hear them all, because like I said, and like I continue to say, I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to locks. I have no idea what to look for. This wasn't a decision that I put a lot of thought and effort into. It was something that I woke up and decided to do. I'm appreciating the journey along the way, but I don't know what to look for. So if you have any tips, if you have any advice, let me know. I'm open to hear it. If you have any suggestions, if you have any wants, like you want to see certain things, want me to update you on certain things, want to see me attempt certain styles with my hair or even his hair, let me know. But as far as this tutorial, I thank you, or it's not a tutorial, y'all. It's not a tutorial. As far as this video, I thank you for watching. Like I tell y'all all the time, voiceovers and tutorials are not my thing. So if you made it even this far, I appreciate you. And I will see y'all next time. This is not the end of the video, but this is the end of me talking because I don't have anything else to say. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you liked the style that I ended up with. Like I said, I didn't know what direction I was going in. I just went, and the end result is what we got. And I liked it. He liked it. Hopefully y'all like it, and I will see y'all next time.
Nah, baby, nah, baby, nah, baby.
I'd be lying if I said that I didn't think about you night and day. And I'd be trying to hide all my feelings that I feel inside for you. No hesitation, boy, I'm all in. Got me checking, texting, calling, slipping, tripping, feels like I'm falling. It's so hard to focus tonight, staring in your eyes, read between the lines. I think I might be falling, 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 falling for you. Maybe I'm falling, 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 falling for you. Maybe I'm falling, 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 falling for you. for you. Baby, I'm falling. Come get it, baby, all in. Cause you know that you got me falling, 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 falling for you. Baby, yeah. You don't care if I ain't rockin' weave or no makeup. Call me beautiful from the time that I wake up. Make me come alive, open up my third eye. It's a forever thing, we ain't never gonna break up. Cause you become a part of my habit. Everything good, no static. Just like air, I gotta have it. Total package, yeah. Hesitation, boy, I'm on it. Got me checking, texting, calling. Slipping, tripping, feels like I'm falling. It's so hard to focus tonight. Staring in your eyes. Read between the lines, I think I might be falling, 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 falling for you. Maybe I'm falling, 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 falling for you. Maybe I'm falling, 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 falling for you. Yeah, falling, 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 falling for you. Baby, I'm falling. Come get it, baby, all in. Maybe I'm falling, 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 falling for you. Baby, I'm falling. Come get it, baby, all in. Cause you know that you got me falling, 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 falling for you. Baby, I'm falling, 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 falling for you.
Hey, hey, that T1 girl, don't need to read your mind, I can see the signs, girl. Hey, hey, if love is blind, girl, body like Braille, let me read between the lines, girl. Down like loose change, let's try new things. Way you shake your body, give me mood swings. Running through my mind, she go Usain. Got me thinking about giving her my last name.
The way you're moving, oh.